Introduction to a circle. In this module, you will learn about the circle and its parts. We see so many circular objects around us in our day-to-day life. For example, wheel, coins, button of shirts, and so on. We see in a clock, seconds hand goes round the dial of the clock rapidly, and its tip moves in a round path. This path traced by the tip of the seconds hand is called a circle. Hence, the circle is the set of all points in a plane that are a fixed distance from a center. Let us draw a circle with a fixed point A at the center and draw all the points that are at a fixed distance from A. Here the fixed point is called the center, and the fixed distance from center to any point on circle is called the radius of the circle. Hence, the radius is the distance from the center to the edge. A circle divides the plane on which it lies into three parts. First is circle, second is interior of the circle, which means inside the circle, and third is exterior of the circle, which means outside the circle. The circle and its interior make up the circular region. A line segment MN that goes from one point to another on the circle's circumference is called a chord. The chord that passes through the center O is called a diameter. Hence, MON is the diameter of the circle. A piece of a circle between 2 points X and Y is called an arc. In this circle also, you will observe the minor arc XY with the shortest piece, and major arc, that is the longest piece, XZY, where Z is some point on the arc between X and Y. The complete length of the circle is called its circumference. The chord of the circle divides the circular region into two parts. Each part is called the segment of the circle. The larger segment, which contains the center of the circle, is called the major segment of the circle. The smaller segment, which does not contain the center, is called the minor segment. The region between an arc and the two radii joining the center to the end points of the arc is called a sector. The minor arc corresponds to the minor sector, and the major arc corresponds to the major sector. The region OMN is the minor sector, and remaining part of the circular region is the major sector. The end points of the diameter of a circle divide it into two halves. Each half is called a semicircle. The equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Let us prove this theorem. First, draw two equal chords, EF and GH of a circle, with center A. We need to prove that angle EAF is equal to angle GAH. In triangles EAF and GAH, AE is equal to AG, radii of a circle. AF is equal to AH, the radii of a circle. EF is equal to GH as given. Therefore, triangle EAF is congruent to triangle GAH using SSS rule. This shows that angle EAF is equal to angle GAH. Hence, proved, equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Let us revise what we have learnt in this module on circle.